Platforms like AHA have become the windows for people to consume much more better entertainment. Now, since the boundaries have been blurred between languages and states, we have great actors from Kerala now. We're being like Fahad Fazil, or we have people like Prabhas Anna and all of them. They are no more a Telugu star or a Malayalam star. Now they are loved across the country.
We have with us Priyadarshi here at AHA 2.0 in Hyderabad. Pleasure having you with us on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so very much. Very excited and happy to be on Bollywood Hungama.
So, looking forward to tonight?
Definitely looking forward for tonight. Yes. AHA is getting a much newer approach, much more better stories that will touch human hearts and minds. And I think since the boundaries have been blurred between languages and states, now projecting much more better content in a bigger way through AHA is much more possible and viable. So sitting here or standing here, we can look forward to entertain audience in any part of the country. So very happy about that.
So we had this hierarchy in terms of entertainment, that cinema, television, and that way. But now this hierarchy, I think it is blurring in a way. So how do you look at this consumption of content by people? People are having different thoughts now.
Right. I think we'll owe it to the technology that is constantly changing. Starting from, because technology has been the key factor in how things are changing around this country. The penetration of smartphones and the consumption of data as such, versus how now we have fragmented audience. कि भाई मेरे को एक्शन मूवी देखना है, मुझे एंटरटेनमेंट कॉमेडी मतलब कॉमेडी, अगर जाति रत्नालो वगैरह देखना है तो ऐसा देखना है, तो now we have specific audience for specific content and they consume specific content. So places like AHA, platforms like AHA have become the windows for people to consume much more better entertainment, irrespective of what language it's coming in. And like always, thanks to Bahubali, which has made a great effect on people's mind and try to re-establish or reframe their idea about what content and stories generally look from the south of India, especially in Telugu.
Okay. What do you think is being done right by South cinema, especially that is making everyone stand up and take notice? Because even right now, in the next few months, you guys are having Pushpa, you guys are having RRR, you guys are having Radhe Shyam.
Jivitam coming in very soon.
There are some really big films which are lined up in the near future. What is it that South content is doing better maybe than anyone else, right?
I think irrespective of which region are we coming from, either north or south, I think that, for example, the recent, I think I'll owe it to the stories that are predominantly, the important thing that are, ruling people's hearts and, making them to look into different types of content that are coming in. I can't classify specifically कि north में ऐसा हो रहा है या south में ऐसा हो रहा है, but I can specifically and clearly say that it's a story that drives you anywhere. We have great actors from Kerala now. We're being like Fahad Fazil, or we have people like Prabhas Anna and all of them. They are no more a Telugu star or a Malayalam star. Now they are loved across the country. So I think it's the start with a great story, and emotion is universal.